Hi friends, this is Radin from RM Cubing. Today I'll be showing you how to be sub 5 on 2x2 using Ortega method if you practice a lot. So the first step of Ortega method is to solve a face. So in my case I have orange as mostly done, and the other pieces here I inserted, form a face, and then do a algorithm, 1 of 7 algorithm to finish off the top layer, and the other one do another algorithm which is known as PBL to solve it. If you know how to solve 2x2, you already know how to create a face. So in this case I have yellow and green, which is almost done, so I will be using green. So I have another one here, so I insert it like this. It is not necessary to finish off the first layer in Ortega method, so you can do it in any way. The next step is to solve the opposite face. In this case of green's opposite is blue, so we have to solve the blue next. For that we have 7 algorithm or 7 cases that you will get. If you get this case where one corner is oriented and pointed towards there, and if you point it over there, you can see a blue piece over here, here and here. So if you get this case, follow this algorithm, keeping the oriented corner in the top right corner. So let's go ahead do the algorithm, which will be displayed here. R, U2, R prime, U prime, R, U prime, R prime. So if you get a similar case like this where no blue is here, so if you don't have blue over here, when you face this corner, top right corner, then you have to bring the corner over here where is bottom left corner. So once we bring here, we will be having this. This is a student case in 3x3. So you have to do the student case algorithm, which is like this: R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. So if you get this case where there is a bar and the other corners are opposite to each other, so in this case you have to follow this algorithm: R, U, R prime, U prime, R prime, front, R, F prime. So if you get a bar like this and the other two pointing to the left, or it can be anywhere. So if you get a bar and two corners near, like matching to color, you have to orient the headlight to the left side and bar to the right and perform this algorithm: F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. So if you get this case where these two are diagonal to each other and one blue is here and here, so we have to face this blue. We have to face this blue towards us. It should be on the left side and perform this algorithm: front, R prime, front prime, R, U, R, U prime, R prime. So if you get this case where these two are matching and here matching, so we have to face these two colors towards us and the other back, which will be obviously like that when you hold it one front towards us, and do this simple algorithm: R2, U2, R, U2, R2. So if you get this case where these two are together and these two are opposite to each other, and in this case we have to hold this one, this matching color to the left and these two opposite to the right, and perform this algorithm: F, R, U, R prime, U prime, again R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. So after solving these two layers, upper face and down face, the next step is called PBL, or known as permuting the both layer. Both layer. So we have, in this case you have to look where there is a bar like this. So we have here one bar and here up face another bar. So if you have these two bars in upper face and down face, you have to perform this algorithm. R2 U prime, B2 U2, R2 U prime, R2. So that solves it. So if you have no bar in top layer or upper layer or down layer, you have to perform this easy algorithm R2 front to R2. So if you don't have bar down in down layer and have on the upper layer, you have to perform this algorithm R U prime R front to R prime U R prime. So if you get a case like this where a down layer is full and you have a bar in the upper layer, you can do T permutation, which you know from 3 by 3, which goes like this: R U R prime U prime R prime front R2 U prime R prime U R U R prime F prime. So in this case you have a layer done and you don't have any bar on the top. In this case you can do Y permutation from 3 by 3, which goes like this: F R U prime R prime U prime R U R prime F prime R U R prime U prime R prime front R F prime. So that's all for today. I hope you know how to solve 2 by 2 in the Ortega method. If it helped you, please like, share and comment down below. Also support me by subscribing to my channel and turning on post notification. So if you want the post notification, you can see more videos uploaded by me. So at the time I upload. So until then, happy cubing.